Gravity is a force that every object with mass exerts on every other object with mass. The more mass an object has, the stronger its gravitational pull. It's a fundamental force that acts over vast distances. So it plays a significant role in how our universe is structured and functions. Let's start with our neighborhood in space, the solar system. Our solar system comprises the sun, the planets, and countless smaller bodies, like moons, asteroids, and comets. But why do all these objects stay together as a system? That's due to gravity. The sun, the most massive object in the solar system, has a powerful gravitational pull that keeps all these objects in their orbits. Even the moons that orbit planets do so because of the gravitational pull of their parent planet. Now let's go bigger and talk about galaxies. A galaxy is a vast collection. It's a collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter bound together by gravity. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy, which comprises hundreds of billions of stars, and likely just as many planets. Like how the sun's gravity keeps the solar system together, the combined gravity of all the stars, gas, and dark matter in a galaxy holds the galaxy together. The Milky Way galaxy, for instance, has a supermassive black hole at its center. The black holes are objects with such intense gravity that no light can escape them. This central black hole and the mass of billions of stars, gas, and dark matter all work together to keep the galaxy's structure intact. From the relatively small distances within our solar system to the huge distances between stars in a galaxy, gravity is the key force holding things together and governing their movements. The Milky Way galaxy is a galaxy that is made up of stars, gas, and dark matter.